Hello students, welcome back to session 61 on Accounting 1. In this session we are concentrating on meaning of final accounts, statements to be prepared and need for final accounts. We know that in last lesson we concentrated on accounts for special transaction. So here we are understanding what final account consists of and need for preparing it. At the end of this session you will come to know what exactly final accounts are, why we need to prepare final accounts. Let me see what is final accounts. Each business concern, being an economic entity, direct its activity towards earning profit. To know the profit, each business concern depends on language of business, that is nothing but accounting. The role of accounting is to compile the financial record of a business in such a manner that yields a profit or loss to the business. All transactions of business are first recorded in the books of original entry. Then these transactions are posted from journal to ledger. Then these transactions are summarized and arithmetical accuracy is checked by means of trial balance. After preparation of trial balance, the next step is preparation of final accounts. The accounting cycle begins with recording of transaction in the books of original entry, ends with final accounts. As these accounts are prepared at the final stage of accounting cycle, they are called as final accounts. So, accounts that are prepared at the final stage of accounting cycles are final accounts. These accounts consist of trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. The account which are prepared at the final stage of accounting cycle is to know profit or loss and financial position of a business concern are called final accounts. So, it is very clear that accounts which are prepared at the end of an accounting period to know whether organization earned profit or incurred loss, to know organization's financial position are called final accounts. They are trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Why we need final account? We know that to run a business concern successfully, it is essential to keep record of assets, liability, expenses, income and capital. So, to run a business concern successfully, it is very much essential on our part to have a record of assets, liability, expenses, income and capital. That's why we need final account. To keep track of business activity, accounting is very much important. Data shown by accounting is extremely crucial for administration or for taking any decision. Final accounts prepared by business concern will help organization to know the impact of its activity over a period of time and its financial position. So that's why we need to have final accounts. It is necessary on the part of an organization to have record of all its assets, all liability, expenses, income and capital. To know what exactly is happening in the organization, final accounts are necessary. Again, data shown by final accounts are extremely crucial for administration and for taking decision. So, final accounts prepared by business concern will help organization to know the impact of its activity over a period of time and its financial position. What are the objectives of preparation of final accounts? The objectives of preparing final accounts are to ascertain the result of transaction. Final accounts are prepared to know the profit earned or loss sustained by a business in a particular period of time. In order to determine profit or loss of a business, trading and profit and loss account or income statement is prepared. That is the intention. The second objective is to know the financial position. Besides knowing profit and loss, financial position of the business must be measured through final accounts. The financial position of a business is shown with the help of a balance sheet. Financial manager make final account as well as corporate balance sheet in order to get clear and concise picture of current financial condition of a company. Final account assists shareholders to recognize an organization's financial viability. What are the features of final account? The final account is legally required for the entities. These accounts are prepared for presenting and providing financial performance and status of the entity to the stakeholders and users. The presentation of comparable figures of the current period from previous period increases the utility of the statements. It presents the accurate and fair view of organization financial performance by providing accurate and full information regarding business with proper notes, disclosure of the real facts. So these are the objectives features of final accounts. So they are prepared for presenting and providing the financial performance and status of entity to the stakeholders and users. Presentation of comparable figures of a current period from previous period increases the utility of the statement. It presents accurate and fair view of organization financial performance by providing accurate and full information regarding business with proper notes and disclosure of real facts. So this is all about what exactly final accounts are, why we need final accounts, what final account consists of, and what are the features of final account. Remaining we will see in next session. Thank you.